I think I had a bit of diarrhea and stuff this morning. So the reason I'm calling is just I took the day off work sick. I was just wondering if you can give me a medical certificate.
No problem, no problem. Something like a gastro-like symptoms that of you?
Yeah, it's just gastro and diarrhea.
And I will arrange the medical certificate for yourself. You will get it within half an hour time?
Yeah, perfect. That's perfect. Thanks, Lil.
Maybe before that.
Hell yeah, Cobbas, let's get on the biz.
What am I doing? Grampians, boys. On a shotgun, some fucking beers. What's going on, cobbers? Wesda here, and I just sort of thought, you know, I've been in lockdown in Melbourne for a fair while. Thought, let's just go camping at the Gramps. Let's go a bit of Gramp camping.
Tried to drive to the car
I
park.
almost took the wrong direction. You're not allowed to talk, by the way. You're not on this channel.
Wow. You can edit me out.
Yeah, I don't want to have to pay people. I'm actually earning big money now.
How much are you earning?
Shit tons. I'll just go to the Grampians that I want.
Dude. Oh shit, Imagine gonna kill me. This is a burger bun. Dude, it's not gonna give up because it knows what it is. Okay.
Give up. Yes, go. Dude, it's just gonna stay there until it...
Dude, I need to get the bread. I need to get it. I need to get it because it's everyone's dinner. No, just sacrifice that beer. Stay away.
That ass, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, so Cobb's back there, almost got slaughtered by an emu.
Yeah, which I told you not to go to.
I would have probably beaten the emu.
No, you wouldn't. You were going there for a bottle of beer that was not even open. You could have given it to the emu.
Save the beer, save the food.
No, you didn't, because you ran away like a baby at the end. Did you cut that out of the clip?
Saviour. Yeah, what's going on, cobbers? This is just a part of the big, rich YouTuber lifestyle, you know? Seeing the best of what Victoria has to offer. Here we have Mackenzie Falls in the Grampians. It's just beautiful. Fuck yeah. What's going on, cobbers? This is the Mackenzie Falls Grampians shotgun.
Are you gonna explain how to do it?
Show them how to do it.
I can't see anything coming out.
Let's go swimming.
Hell yeah.
Be careful.
Man, I come to the Grampians to get away from my troubles. Sally, I spend all this money on holidays, but man, I just don't know what I'm doing. Can you stop recording me? The vlog's over.
No.
I'm trying to have some peace and quiet. The vlog's over.
Why are you so angry?
I came out here to enjoy myself. I don't want to work.
Dude, why are you so angry?
You're my manager. You just make me work. You make me do these vlogs.
I'm just trying to help you get your mind off Sally.
I just wanted to come to the Grampians.
You want to explain it to the people here? Glass is wonky.
That one I could imagine some music over the top.
I don't want Hanny's corny voice in there. I'm gonna put music over the top of it.
Yeah, do it. I don't have a corny voice.
Poor direction. I hired you instead of Bill, and it's not good enough. I paid for all these people to come out to the Grampians with me, to hang out with me, to make me look cool, and they don't even do a good job. What's the use?
Nobody likes you.
Why didn't you tell me that before we went on holiday? Thanks everyone for watching my Grampians vlog. This has been Champions in the Grampians, shotgunning beers. Have a good night.